Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make Sri Lankan lentil curry. In Sinhalese, this dish is called Parippu. Doesn't it sound a bit like Haribo? There are many different ways to make this dish, and this is how I do it. I adapted the recipe to my busy lifestyle and the ingredients I have available without compromising any flavor, of course. First of all, we need half a red onion. I cut it into small pieces and then I do the same with 2 garlic cloves. Then take a pot and add washed red lentils along with half of the cut onions and all of garlic. Then add water, a stick of cinnamon, and a few dried chilies, also roughly chopped. I added turmeric, curry, as well as chili powder, and as an optional ingredient, green curry powder. If you cannot find the green curry powder, feel free to skip it. Then I let the mixture cook until the lentils are half cooked. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Transfer the half cooked lentils to a bowl. I take the same pot and then add a bit of oil. Then I let the mustard seeds pop. You can have a listen how the party gets started in the pot. Once the popping frequency increases, add the rest of the onions and saute a little. Then I add a few tomato pieces as well, maybe like half a tomato. When everything is nicely brown, add the lentils. Mix well to not let the lentils get stuck to the bottom of the pot. Yes, I know, I should use a wooden spoon here, I'm sorry, but I'm being very careful not to scratch the pot. It should smell real good in the kitchen right about now. Then I add half a can of coconut milk and mix again. Let it cook on medium heat for another few minutes until everything bubbles. Do a taste for salt, curry flavor, and chili. Once you add spices at this stage, make sure to let the curry cook a little so that the added flavors get incorporated well into the curry. Voila, that's it. Once it is cooled down, make sure to enjoy this curry with some rice, flatbread, and or other side dishes, yeah? So that's it for now. See you later.